Okay, today we're going to make collard greens. I've got my vegetables already in the pot. I'm going to saute them. I have onion, jalapeno, some celery, and fresh garlic. And I'm going to saute this in some bacon grease. We'll let these cook down for a minute, and then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, so my vegetables are sauteed. I'm going to add about a cup of water to this pot. My greens are already washed, cut. We're going to add these to the pot. Okay, I got my greens in the pot. I have a ham bone. Let that cook down, and then I'll pick the meat off of it when it's tender. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon or pinch of soda. And then I have better than bouillon ham base. We're going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. I'm going to get this all stirred up. We're going to cover it over and let it simmer. If I need some more water, I'll add it at that time. But I'm going to cover these over and let them cook on a medium heat. It should take about an hour or so. I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, so I cooked these all the way down about an hour, and they're tender. I took my spoon and just started breaking the ham off the bone. I tasted mine, and it didn't need anything. If you remember, I didn't put any salt. It's because I used that ham base, and it has salt in it. So between that and the bacon grease, these are flavored, and they're wonderful. All they need is eating with some cornbread. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this. This is that ham bone, and I picked the ham off of there. These are the collard greens with smoked ham.